Hey guys, what's up? Let's make this easy moving text animation in Procreate, but before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and share our channel. So you have to select any brush you like for writing the text. I am just going to write a short sentence, and then to enhance it, I am going to add some doodles around it. Next, you have to enable the animation assist in the settings. Now duplicate the layer, you will see the ghost image of the previous text right over it. Just make sure that when you're tracing the previous text, don't be very accurate. Now duplicate the layer again and do the same exercise one more time. Now in the animation assist setting, take it to 3 frames per second. So 1 second per frame. And there it is. And that's it for today. I hope you guys like this short tutorial. Take care. Bye bye.